of Indonesia, especially Bali. Now we would like to introduce our research. But first, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Luna.
My name is Devi.
My name is Anggia.
My name is bulan.
My name is Dila.
My name is Cinta.
Celiac disease is an autoimmune disease whose symptoms appear due to eating foods that contain gluten. Celiac disease can cause complaints to the digestive system and can cause severe complications if left untreated. The prevalence of this disease reaches 0.5 to 1% of the total world population, including Indonesia. Another study stated that out of 100 people, only 1% has celiac disease in Indonesia. Based on research conducted at the Picky Eaters Clinic Jakarta, a special clinic for children with feeding difficulty, around 34% of children with difficulty eating have celiac disease. Therefore, we need gluten-free food that children like, such as cookies.
In general, cookies are made from wheat flour which contain gluten, so a substitution of wheat flour is needed, namely pumpkin flour and moringa leaf flour. These two substitutes are known to have no gluten and are easy to find in Indonesia. In addition, pumpkin and moringa leaf cannot be used optimally. Nutritional contents such as vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, calcium, and other ingredients in pumpkin and moringa leaf can also provide many other benefits for children.
Other additional ingredients are used in the same amount for each treatment, which are 1 tablespoon of essence, 150 grams of sugar, 2 egg yolks, 100 grams of powdered soy milk, 100 grams of margarine, a half gram of cake emulsifier, 500 milligrams of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3 grams of salt. Margarine and sugar are whipped for 5 minutes. After that, add the egg yolks and powdered soy milk. Mix until smooth. Then add baking soda, cake emulsifier, vanilla, salt, and essence. Mix well. Add pumpkin flour and moringa flour. Stir until smooth. Take 1 tablespoon of dough, round and flatten it a little, then place it in a baking pan. Place the baking pan with the dough in the oven at 120 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. After that, move the dough to a cold baking pan. Store it in an airtight container. In the first test, we are using 75 grams of yellow pumpkin flour and 25 grams of moringa leaf powder. In the second test, we are using 50 grams of yellow pumpkin flour and 50 grams of moringa leaf powder. Lastly, in the third test, we are using 25 grams of yellow pumpkin flour and 75 grams of moringa leaf powder.
For future research is needed on the optimal content of pumpkin and moringa leaves for people with celiac disease. It is necessary to socially safe gluten-free products.
Based on the research and tests carried out, it can be concluded that cookies made from pumpkin flour and moringa leaf are gluten-free processed food ingredients and have good nutritional content, so they are safe for consumption food for people with celiac disease and the wider community.